Welcome back to the channel. If you love your car and want to make every drive smoother, smarter, and more enjoyable, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a world of innovation, convenience, and practicality, featuring 17 of the best Amazon car gadgets you'll actually use. These aren't just flashy gimmicks, they're genuine game changers designed to elevate your daily drive, keeping your car clean, comfortable, and ready for anything life throws your way. From high-tech upgrades that make your car feel futuristic to small accessories that save you time and frustration, every single one of these products deserves a place in your vehicle. So buckle up, grab a drink, and let's roll into today's list. Number 1, LED display sign. Let's start with a gadget that turns your car into a smart communication tool, the LED display sign. Whether you're a rideshare driver, a delivery worker, or simply want a creative way to share messages while on the road, this little panel adds a whole new level of personality and practicality. Imagine being able to display short, scrolling messages like "Thank you, baby on board," or even custom alerts, all controlled wirelessly through your smartphone. This LED display uses bright, customizable lights that remain visible day or night, giving you a fun and functional way to express yourself or improve communication with other drivers. It's especially useful for Uber or Lyft drivers who want to display their name, pick up messages, or even holiday greetings for passengers. Number 2, automatic car tent. Ever parked your car under the hot sun only to return to an oven on wheels? That's where the automatic car tent saves the day. This gadget might just be the smartest protection system for your car's exterior. With the press of a single button, it unfolds like a futuristic umbrella, creating an instant shield against sunlight, rain, or dust. Whether you're camping, parked at the beach, or just leaving your car outside at work, this gadget acts as your car's personal shade system. Built from high-quality, weather-resistant materials, the automatic car tent ensures your vehicle stays cool, clean, and safe from harmful UV rays that can fade paint and damage the interior. Some advanced models even feature anti-theft straps, wind resistance mechanisms, and solar-powered operation. Number 3, car cleaning duster. Now, for those who take pride in a spotless car, let's talk about the car cleaning duster. A small, simple, but absolutely essential tool for every car owner. Made with ultra-soft microfiber bristles, this duster lifts and traps dust without leaving a single scratch on your dashboard, console, or exterior paint. If you've ever noticed that fine layer of dust building up between car washes, you know how frustrating it can be. This duster solves that problem instantly. Just a few swipes and your car looks freshly detailed again. It's perfect for delicate surfaces like infotainment screens, vents, and mirrors, places you normally hesitate to wipe with rough cloths. Number 4, trunk organizer. Raise your hand if your car trunk looks like a miniature tornado passed through it. Don't worry, we've all been there. That's why the trunk organizer exists, and it's an absolute must-have for anyone who values tidiness and efficiency. This isn't just a box, it's a multi-compartment, foldable storage system designed to keep everything in place, no matter how chaotic your day gets. From groceries to emergency tools, sports gear to cleaning supplies, this organizer gives everything a proper home. Most models feature non-slip bases, reinforced walls, and adjustable dividers, so even on bumpy roads, your stuff stays put. You can fold it flat when it's not in use, making it perfect for both small cars and SUVs. Imagine loading groceries without worrying about them tipping over, or keeping first aid kits, jumper cables, and car fluids neatly separated. It's like having a portable cabinet in your trunk. Number 5, car cleaning gel. Cleaning the inside of your car can feel like a nightmare. All those tiny crevices around air vents, buttons, and seams where dust and crumbs love to hide. The car cleaning gel makes this job incredibly satisfying. It's a soft, jelly-like compound that molds into every corner, picking up dirt and debris effortlessly. You simply press it onto a surface, lift it up, and watch as the grime disappears. It's almost like magic. Unlike harsh cleaners, this gel doesn't damage or scratch any surface. It's reusable, eco-friendly, and non-sticky on your hands. Perfect for cleaning dashboards, cup holders, keyboards, and even air conditioner vents. You'll be amazed at how much hidden dirt it picks up, especially from tight areas that brushes or cloths just can't reach. Number 6, inflatable car cover. Now this one looks straight out of the future, the inflatable car cover. It's not just a protective sheet, it's an air-cushioned armor for your car. Once you activate it, air fills the structure, creating a soft but sturdy shield that protects your vehicle from scratches, dust, hail, and even minor impacts. It's ideal for people who park outside or store their cars for long periods. Traditional covers can still let moisture or debris through, but this one creates a sealed barrier that keeps your car pristine. The material is weather-resistant and tear-proof, and inflation takes just minutes using the built-in air pump. When not in use, it folds down compactly for easy storage. Some versions even feature ventilation systems to prevent condensation inside. Number 7. Foam Cannon. Washing your car at home just got a serious upgrade with the foam cannon. Attach it to your pressure washer and watch as it blasts out thick, luxurious foam that clings to every surface of your car. This foam helps loosen dirt and grime, so you can rinse it off easily without risking scratches or swirl marks. If you've ever wanted that professional car wash look, glossy, streak-free, and ultra-clean, this tool is the secret. The adjustable nozzle lets you control foam thickness, while the large reservoir means fewer refills mid-wash. Pair it with a good quality car shampoo, and you'll have a cleaning experience that feels more like a spa day for your car than a chore. Not only does it save time and effort, but it also makes washing incredibly satisfying. For DIY detailers and car enthusiasts, the foam cannon transforms ordinary cleaning into an immersive, high-end experience. Number 8. Dog car seat. The dog car seat, if you travel with pets, you already know how tricky it can be to keep them safe and comfortable on the road. This car seat solves that problem beautifully. It's designed with soft padding, durable straps, and elevated seating that allows your pet to see out the window while staying securely in place. No more nervous paws on the dashboard or hair all over your seats. The seat's enclosed design keeps everything neat and safe. Most models come with removable, washable liners for easy cleaning, and installation is quick. Simply attach it to your car's seatbelt system. Beyond comfort, this gadget adds safety, preventing distractions and sudden movements that could cause accidents. Number 9. Gap Filler Car Organizer. Every driver knows the frustration of dropping your phone, keys, or coins between the seats, that black hole that seems to eat everything you own. The Gap Filler Car Organizer is the clever fix we've all needed. Designed to slide perfectly between your car seat and center console, this sleek organizer blocks that annoying gap while adding extra storage space for your essentials. Think of it as a mini command center, holding your phone, wallet, cards, and small items neatly in place. Most versions come with anti-slip bases to stay secure on bumpy rides and even feature built-in USB charging ports or cup holders. The design blends seamlessly with your car's interior, giving it a premium, finished look. Number 10. Jump Starter and Power Bank. Getting stuck with a dead battery is one of those moments that can ruin your entire day. That's why the Jump Starter and Power Bank combo is an absolute must-have for every vehicle. This powerful little gadget packs enough punch to jumpstart your car, motorcycle, or even a truck without needing another vehicle. Just connect the clamps, press the button, and your engine roars back to life in seconds. But that's not all. Most modern versions double as a high-capacity power bank, complete with USB ports and LED flashlights. You can charge your phone, tablet, or camera on the go, perfect for emergencies, road trips, or camping. They're compact enough to fit in your glove box, yet powerful enough to deliver multiple jumps on a single charge. Advanced models even include reverse polarity protection to prevent accidental connection errors. Number 11. Cordless Tire Inflator. Nothing's worse than discovering a flat tire when you're already running late. That's where the cordless tire inflator saves the day, and maybe your schedule. This compact, rechargeable tool can inflate a standard car tire in minutes, without needing to visit a gas station. Just set your desired pressure, attach the hose, and let it work automatically. It stops the moment your tire reaches the right PSI. It's powered by a long-lasting battery that also doubles as a power bank in some models. The digital screen displays accurate pressure readings, and the built-in LED light helps you work safely even at night. Number 12. Armrest Storage Organizer. If your center console feels cluttered, you'll love the Armrest Storage Organizer, a subtle yet transformative upgrade for your car's interior. It's designed to sit perfectly inside or on top of your armrest, dividing that open space into smart, functional compartments. No more tossing coins, chargers, or cables into a chaotic pile. Everything has its own slot, neatly arranged for easy access. Many models even feature non-slip mats, hidden trays, and adjustable dividers, so you can customize the layout however you like. Some versions also come with USB pass-throughs, so your cables stay cleanly organized without tangling. The result? A clean, professional look that makes your car feel more like a high-end cockpit than a cluttered compartment. Number 13. Electric car kettle. Imagine you're on a long road trip and suddenly crave a cup of coffee or tea, but there's no cafe in sight. That's when the electric car kettle becomes your best travel companion. Plug it directly into your car's 12V power outlet, fill it with water, and within minutes you'll have piping hot water for your favorite drink, instant noodles, or even baby formula. The kettle is compact, spill-proof, and designed with heat-resistant stainless steel that keeps your drink warm for hours. Many models feature auto shut-off functions to prevent overheating and LED indicators to show when the water's ready. It's the perfect gadget for frequent travelers, truck drivers, or anyone who spends long hours on the road. Pair it with a travel mug, and you've got an instant coffee station right in your car. It's convenient, comfortable, and warm, literally on demand. Number 14. Coin holder for car. Small but incredibly handy, the coin holder for car brings back order to one of the most overlooked spaces in your vehicle. No more fumbling for loose change at toll booths or parking meters. This compact holder keeps your coins sorted and ready. It's usually made from durable ABS plastic or aluminum, with spring-loaded compartments that fit different coin sizes perfectly. Lightweight and easy to install anywhere, from your dashboard to cup holders. It adds a surprisingly polished touch to your car's organization. Number 15. Handheld car vacuum. Let's face it, keeping your car interior spotless is no easy task. The handheld car vacuum changes that with raw power and portability combined. This compact device delivers high suction strength, capable of picking up dirt, pet hair, crumbs, and sand from every corner of your car. Cordless models use rechargeable lithium batteries, making them perfect for quick cleanups anytime, anywhere. They often come with multiple nozzles, a narrow crevice tool for tight spots, a brush for upholstery, and a wide nozzle for larger debris. Modern versions also include HEPA filters, ensuring fine dust gets trapped instead of blown back into the air. Whether you're cleaning after a family road trip or just maintaining a tidy ride, this gadget makes it effortless. Number 16. Endoscopic camera. Now here's something for the tech lovers. The endoscopic camera, also known as a borescope. This gadget lets you see inside tight, hidden spaces in your car's engine, under seats, or inside air vents. It connects to your phone via USB or Wi-Fi, displaying real-time footage on your screen. With a flexible, waterproof cable and a tiny HD camera at the tip, it's perfect for diagnosing engine issues, retrieving dropped screws, or inspecting tricky areas without disassembling parts. The built-in LED lights provide crystal-clear visibility even in complete darkness. It's not just for mechanics. Even DIY enthusiasts can save hundreds on diagnostics by spotting problems early. From checking fluid leaks to exploring behind panels, this gadget brings a whole new level of precision to car maintenance. Number 17. Car cup holder tray. And finally, we wrap up with something that's pure convenience genius, the car cup holder tray. If you eat or work on the go, this simple yet incredibly practical gadget will change your driving experience. It fits securely into your car's existing cup holder and expands into a mini table or tray, perfect for snacks, laptops, or even holding your phone while navigating. The adjustable 360-degree swivel design means you can position it exactly where you need it. Some versions even feature double layers, one for drinks, one for small items like keys or sunglasses. Built with durable, non-slip materials, it's stable enough to hold your coffee and burger during a quick lunch break or serve as a mini desk for tablets when parked. It's one of those small investments that instantly upgrades comfort and functionality, especially for commuters and road trippers. And there you have it, 17 of the best Amazon car gadgets that aren't just cool but genuinely useful. From powerful inflators and jump starters to clever organizers and comfort-boosting accessories, these products prove that smart innovation can make every drive safer, cleaner, and more enjoyable. Whether you're an everyday commuter, a weekend adventurer, or just someone who takes pride in their vehicle, each gadget on this list offers a small but meaningful improvement that adds up to a huge difference over time. So, which one caught your eye first? The futuristic car tent? The portable jump starter? Or maybe the clever cup holder tray? Tell us in the comments below. We love hearing what our viewers are adding to their rides. Don't forget to check out the latest prices and deals in the description. Links are waiting for you right there. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next roundup of amazing gadgets. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and as always, keep exploring smarter.